You come in, you slide in. Me no argue with them, me no quarrel. You sit down and you watch me downfall. And what that do for you now? What that do for you? Only thing I can do in a Vani, I turn on your live and tell my mother, I'm if I go fuck this or fuck that and that. And that not gonna do nothing to me. Because me not gonna do what you do. Me not gonna tell you what you tell me. Me there so and me not stop there so cause me there so with a purpose. Me don't know why you there you find out. But me there with a purpose. Me have people who look to me. Me have people who look up to me for all a conversation with me. If get little advice from me, if get little help from me. Me have people who literally depend on me. So me have to there. Me have to there with me people then because guess what? I was here before matches and I'll be here after.
You will soon lose this again cause you live for my name. Yo, me say from the woman come for my life, me get a piece of feelings. Me want go with that. No, me can't stay there. Man, you, the woman say, you soon lose this again as you live for my name. Oh, triple me and go away. Triple me
You
can't
stay
stay.
right there, so.
Yo.
Me glad say me have witness. Me glad say me have tons of witness say you live by me far before me live by you. Me glad me have tons of witness can attest to you commenting in a life about me since night you talking about me, you coming into my life. Me glad me have witness for sure say me not start nothing with you. Me glad me have witness for sure say you come to me over 10 times since night. And decide, you see that 11th time, you had that 11th time.
Hold on,
You have witness. Something wrong with you.
She said, me never hide and talk. And she comes with one sticker. Come so.
You're lucky you still have her in your life.
So what am I for do?
Block her out of your life.
Hold
Make
on,
she
my
go
baby.
type for somebody else's life. Make she go disrupt somebody else's life. Cause demons the fire. One day we come
Tears
out,
that
but we
come
don't know
from
if we
my
make it
eye.
come out.
Vani, what the fuck you in Vani? Cause you know, Vani, please.
What should you come over here like?
So tell me
Clash.
now,
Yeah,
which one are we? Something wrong with? Which one? You know, me tell you what me have to say already now. You hear what me have to say.
Come
And
alive
that
by your
it for
mouth.
your feel night. Cause I one
Come
time me
on,
talk, you know. Me not talk two times, I don't know.
No. Vani, go on, Vani. Vani, yo, mommy, I from over 800 people over here.
No, brother. Me a go in now. After this, me a go with that. Cause me no depend on foolishness that. After
Vani,
this, me
I
a go
beg
with
you.
that.
Vani, like, do.
Come on, guys. Everybody follow our country girl. Look,
Please.
country girl say whatsoever.
And
Come
that
on,
thing I
guys.
listen me
Everybody
talk,
do
me
this sound.
just have to laugh.
You know, Mr. Right. Attack.
No,
Beat,
I'm
you
not
know.
laugh for them. I
Come.
laugh for the
Six.
people that come over my life for drama. And it now go on over
Yeah,
right there,
six.
sir.
Six. Bye bye, you
Yeah.
know, bro. Rosary,
Stay,
sleep tight,
stay
yeah,
with me,
baby.
I lift my spirit. Stay, man.
Yeah, I lift triple spirit,
Me
bro.
don't know. Me just say, I realize TikTok boss, you ever hear me a quarrel before our talk?
No, baby,
I
that's
just
why I
the
like
first
to
and the
hear.
last. Me did office say something. Me did office say something. When me lose 2 pages in one night, me I tell you the truth, me did office say something. Me said something and that was it. And me say it without being disrespectful and I said the truth. And that is it.
Triple, just ask you one thing, Triple. You build a page with the same information.
No, you can't believe with the same thing.
Channel star.
People know, a lot of people on TikTok don't even know that my body is done. For sure, you say I've never shown off my parts. I can attest to that. Till all people always say why me always a sit down. So for me, if you get listen, I'm tired, man.